Hello everyone, welcome to Fame World Educational Hub. Myself, Aishwarya Saxena, and today in the series of PHP and MySql, I am going to start with the concept of switch statement. We have already studied the conditional statement if else, nested if else, and we have seen few examples on them. Now, today in this particular lecture, we are going to study the concept of switch statement. Switch statement is also a kind of conditional statement and selective statement. So we are going to study this in this particular file 12.php. Now here, as we know how to start the PHP code, we have started it. Yeah, here let's echo something like the heading we want to give here and align it to the center. We have done these things before also, so if you have watched those videos, then it would be easier for you to understand that what's happening, because each and every video in the series is sequential, so you should watch the videos in the playlist in the sequence they are arranged. So here we are going to study switch case. Now let's echo the program we are going to make here. So let's say I'm going to start with a program of let's say color. Okay, favorite color. If you want to choose a favorite color with from some options, so let's say fav color. I'm making a variable here with a color name, say red. Okay, switch. Now for the switch case, we just have to give this particular switch statement, and we have to pass the variable in which the value is saved. After that, we have to open the braces and we have to define case. As we give, I'm just opening another file of if else for making comparisons. As you can see, the values we want to check, we always used to give in if. In the previous videos we have done so, but in the case of switch case, we have to pass the conditions into the case. Here we were passing the conditions in the if block, but here in the case of switch case, we have to pass the conditions in the case. Say the case is red. As we are working for the colors, if the case is red, and we have to give the semicolon afterwards, then the statement say echo my favorite color is, and we can give the value here, say dot, and like this. So this we have to do here. Now we have to use the break. As we use the closing braces in the case of if else for the starting and the closing condition, starting and ending of the condition, then again starting and ending of the condition. Here we do not have to use the braces for the cases, we have to use the break statement. I'm just copying to make another case and with a space, and we will just change the values for better understandability. I'm just copying this again and pasting it. Yes, now I'm going to change the values, say green, say blue, say yellow, like this. And at the end we have to just give a default condition like the else block. What is the else block? In the else block, we always give the condition which if the block is not true. If the if block is false, then we come to the else block. Similarly, in the case of switch case, if all the conditions are false, we will come to the default block and echo the statement without making any case. And we will print some invalid choice, this is not your color or something. Whatever statement we want to give in the else portion, we can give here. Now we will just close the switch block. This was for the switch, starting and closing braces, and then the PHP. Now I'm going to the browser on the web server. I have already taught how to use the web server, how to launch the web server in the previous lectures. I hope you have watched them. Here in the MySql folder, our new file, that is file 12.php, which we have created right now, just now. I'm go to that file, and now you can see my favorite color is red. So what is happening here, the thing which is happening here is that the value of favorite color was red, so it's printing, is this case is okay with it. Yes, if we are giving some other value, such as we are giving blue, then what will happen? If we are giving blue, then these particular cases will not execute. Here the favorite color is blue, but if all these colors which we have given the cases, like if all the condition, if any of the condition is not true, let's say we are giving here color equals to black, and red, green, blue, yellow, all are different cases, but black color isn't available, then when the server will start checking, it will check for red, no, this condition is false, no, this condition is false, no, blue is not the color, no, yellow is not the color. Then what will happen? Then the default portion, the else portion, will be executed and it will print this is not your color. What is happening? It is the same thing which happens in the if else block. That is, if the condition if condition is not true, then the else portion is executed. Similarly, if the defined cases are not the particular case, then the default case will execute. That's it. So whenever we give some value here and it will, if it is not appearing here in the particular case, that is the conditions, the cases here are the conditions. As we give conditions in the if else if block, then similarly here case acts. So if any of the case is not matching, as we are checking for the favorite color and any value is not matching, see, favorite color is black, no, green, no, blue, no, yellow, no. So all the cases are false, all the conditions are false. Then what will happen? Then if we are considering if else, then it will go to the else portion. But in the case of switch case, if all the cases are, if any of the case is not matching with the given condition, then it will go to the default block. I hope you are getting the point. Again, if we are giving yellow and we know yellow is available here, then what will happen? It will first check for the red, no, this is not the case. Then it will go to the next case, green, no, it is not the case, blue, it is not the case, yes, yellow is the case. Then it will print my favorite color is, and the value of this color which is input in the variable. Let's check it out. Now you can see, I hope you are getting the concept. That is, if the color which we have given here is the value of the defined cases, then it will be executed, else it will go to the default block. Like pink, first of all, when favorite color is switched here, came here, then what is the value? Pink. It will check, is it red? No. Is it green? No. Then is it blue? No. Is it yellow? No. Then what will happen? Then all the cases are completed, checked, but the color is not matching. Then it will go to the default block and it will print this is not your color. Refresh and you can get. I hope you are getting the concept. If you are having any queries, any confusions regarding this, then you can just drop your query, your suggestions, your likings into the comment box for me to work on it. If you are liking this video, if you are enjoying this series, please hit the like button and keep on sharing the knowledge you earn. Even keep on sharing the content which you are studying, so your friends will always get to know that what is a new thing you are studying. Thanks for watching. If you are new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell, because after pressing the notification bell you will get the notifications of my latest uploads. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.